Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Aldi from Bahasa Inggris Course Simpan Wajana Sumber. Kembali lagi dengan channel kami Belajar Bahasa Inggris dengan Bahasa Inggris Course. Mohon dukungannya untuk subscribe, like, comment, and share ya, and ring the bell insyaAllah. Baik, saya mau share perbincangan atau topik diskusi kami ya. Kami diskusi tentang must an English teacher speak English in the classroom. Mestikah guru bahasa Inggris ia menggunakan bahasa Inggris di kelas? Nah, baik, kita dengarkan aja langsung.
Good day everyone. Well, I'm trying to drop a topic. You have flexible time. I think when you have a free time, you can comment on our topic by sending voice. And want to say welcome to our new members or our team here. Well, the topic is must an English teacher speak English in the classroom. Again, I think we cannot force you guys to comment on.
Adi, this is another interesting topic. Must an English teacher speak English in the classroom? Yes. It's as simple as that, yes. I believe that when teaching English, you have to use as much English as possible. I try to use 80 to 90% English, okay, so that the students get used to English. For example, if I'm teaching Indonesian students, what is the point of me asking everything in Indonesian, explaining everything in Indonesian, and just asking them to answer in English, and then I use Indonesian again or something like that? There's really no point, and it will take the kids or the people, the students, forever to learn English. I've seen this done, like my mum. Okay, she used to teach English as well to foreigners in Australia, and 100% English in the class. And I can tell you, they learn English really quickly. Okay, so I think whatever language you're teaching, you should be speaking that language in the class.
Hello, good morning guys. About the topic today, must an English teacher speak English in the classroom? For me, it's not a must. Why? It depends on who the student in the class. Just like when I was school, all of my classmates didn't understand English. So if the teacher used English when he teach us, I don't think there is one student could understand what he said. But it would be amazing if the student can understand English and the teacher speaking English, so that they could be practicing and be better.
Good afternoon. Thank you for the topic. Must an English teacher speak English in the classroom? I think an English teacher does have to speak English in class. For example, if an English teacher in high school teaches his students by explaining the material using English in class, then all students will feel confusion because not all students can understand it. Another example, when we live in Indonesian school, the origin language of our country, sometimes it's hard to understand because there are rules such as sport or anything. It's milk, or anything. So it will be better if the teacher mixes between use Indonesian and English.
Hello all, good afternoon. I hope you are doing great. Well, thank you so much for sharing this great topic. I'm going to share my opinion regarding this topic. Must an English teacher speak English in the classroom? In my viewpoint, it depends on the level of the students in the classroom. Because even though the teacher is so fluent in English, it's explain their materials in English, full English, but in front of basic level students, it's nothing. I'm sure mostly students cannot catch their lessons. So, as a teacher, must be smart to read the condition and analyze the level of their students. I think it's gonna be helpful to choose and applying perfect method in learning process, and also to create a good atmosphere for all students to learn. And in this case, the teacher can combine by using the student's mother tongue as a medium instruction to learn English. Thank you.
100% or as you said, anything too. Well, ma'am. Alright. Honestly, it's related to our activities, right? We are peers, educators, or teachers have responsibility, I think, to give the best things to our students. That's why I try to drop it easy. And when you said, when I listen to your partner, based on your experience, and also your mom experience, and the reason, wow, I think, when I said agree, I think, maybe, right, but I have a question like this, ma'am. Is it possible or not, or does it work when we're talking with, let's say, the object is the students who know nothing about English? Alright, thanks a lot, my friend, for sharing. Yeah, I got the point, I think. You gave us the sample here. You gave sample in our group. You told us maybe just one or two students who understand or who speak English. Maybe the rest of them, they don't really care about what the teacher was explaining. The teachers were explaining, or maybe just ignore the lesson and so on. Maybe like at the point of your process, but like this, my friend, I think you know so well the theory or the study about environment, where environment will influence an object or the object. So my question is, do you agree or not with this theory, where maybe if the teachers, let's say, create the English zone or English environment, right? And then
most of English teachers speak English in the classroom. Well, yes, of course, they are English teacher. Even they only use English to utter only one sentence, it's still considered to be speak English, right? Although maybe after saying "Selamat pagi anak-anak, how are you today?" yeah, it's still considered to be speaking English. So, yeah, of course. But if what you meant is speaking English all the time, including giving the instructions in English, I don't think so. Again, it's a bit complicated. If you use English like in an international school, of course it will be effective because the students are highly motivated. But in some cases, if you teach English to students who go to state schools, SDN, SMAN, SMPN, it wouldn't be effective because they learn English. It's not because they need to learn English, because it's not because they want to learn English. Like they are willing to learn English, no. It's just because English is part of a compulsory subject. So if the government English, using English all the time, including the instructions, to those who are not interested in English. It's not effective at all.
Alright, Mr. Ali, I got the point. So you told us here that you basically give the teachers to speak English 100%, but if they want to combine it, never mind, not that, because it's really hard for you give us the examples in your high school students like that. Yeah, I can imagine that one, my friend. But maybe the same question, my friend. Sometimes we need to force, right? Maybe when because I also underline the word you said, when the teacher explain and speak fast, maybe like that, right? Explain it fast and use English, the student will get confused. What if the students, what if the teachers, this is my question, explain the material or the lesson, keep using English, but, I can say maybe slowly like that. In your case, maybe the teachers explain that one so fast, right? But what will happen when, this is my question, do you agree or not, if the teachers keep using English, but he or she explain that one or speak English slowly, or I can say maybe normally, and then maybe the students still get confused, maybe, right? The students still get confused, and the teacher keeps silent, do not use Bahasa Indonesia, maybe he or she will find, I can say maybe the easier words or the synonym, right? Or maybe using body movement or maybe gesture here, right? Gesture. Well, it's nice, I think. I got the point. So, based on your process, you suggest the teacher to be smart like that, to look at the object or the level of the object for the students, or observing or to observe the students first. Yeah, I think the teachers know about that one. Now I want to talk about the target example. Every school has different target, right? Let's say maybe when we're teaching not at school, in a classroom, this is, I can say, institution maybe, or the institute, where the owner wants the teacher not to speak Bahasa Indonesia, because I was there a long time ago. Well, that's great. So the teacher should be able to look at the class. The classes, this is national, or you said, I want to use your term, the state school or the international one. If the state school where the students, you said, doesn't really like English maybe, or they're not interested in it, and the students, the teachers keep forcing them by giving them English 100%, maybe it's not effective, or doesn't work. You want to tell us like that. But let's say, ma'am, what will happen maybe when the teachers, this is my question, keep forcing maybe themselves, because we know not all of the teachers as well are the experts, right? Not all of the teachers are able to speak English. Maybe one of them is me, right? But I keep forcing with one goal, maybe because of our experience. We know if we keep Bahasa Indonesia, when I use your term interact over there. We want to invite your interact, right?
Okay, sir, I get the point. I think it's kind of hard, by the way, but it doesn't mean that it's impossible to do. Because of the rule in that school, because of the honor, so all teachers should speak English every day and every time in that school, even though the students really hard to understand. But I think it would be great if the teacher and all stakeholders in that school create a good atmosphere for all students to learn English, because English is just a habitual action. Actually, not only English, but all languages in this world, just habitual action. If the students always listen and also always open their mouth to speak English, I'm sure they can be fluent in English. So that's really great rule, I think. But, it's kind of hard. Just like I said before, it's hard. But if the teacher always do that every day, day by day, I'm sure the student can understand English well and easily.
So when I listen to this person, it sounds like you agree with the teachers to speak English 100% because of the duty like that. Even you said it should be hard or harder. And with your theory or theory, the book. Yeah. Every theory, I think, again, Kenneth is like liar, right? Sometimes it doesn't work in different places, right? Or in different places. This theory maybe is good in the city, but not really good in the village, right? And honestly, frankly speaking, I do agree with the first, the second, and the third speakers, right? I just try to invite them maybe when they have a different case like that. Yeah, I did.
Again, it depends on various kinds of factors. Maybe let me put it this way. I used to be a student of one of the most favorite schools in my hometown. So my high school, the high school that I went to was a top-notch high school in my town. It's like every parent would feel proud of their kids if their kids can enroll to my high school. Of course, in this kind of high school, everybody competes to get the first rank to be the best. With this kind of competition, their learning motivation is quite high. So they are, let's say, they are highly motivated students. And
Oke, karena sudah durasi sudah terlalu panjang, mohon maaf. Saya hanya bisa perdengarkan sampai sini aja. Mudah-mudahan bisa juga untuk melatih listening dan kemampuan speaking kita. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share ya. Hasil diskusi kami. Share juga ke teman ataupun keluarganya. Wal Amadi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.